Hello viewers. Back in early April this year, Microsoft blocked the Windows 11 24H2 update on certain devices that had a specific driver installed called Protect. This driver provides encryption and data protection features and is mainly used in security software and enterprise systems. At that time, users with this driver couldn't install Windows 11 24H2 because their systems would become unresponsive, often showing a blue screen or black screen error. According to Microsoft, the issue happened because this driver could automatically be added to a system during the installation of certain applications. The driver itself comes from Sense Shield Technologies, a company that develops copyright protection and enterprise data security software, so this mainly affected corporate and business computers. To prevent further problems, Microsoft placed a safeguard hold on all devices using this driver, blocking them from installing the 24H2 update. Now, there's good news. Microsoft has confirmed that the issue has been fully resolved. The latest versions of software using this driver have fixed the compatibility problem. However, since many apps use Sense Shield technology, it might be a bit tricky to identify which ones need updating. If an app using this driver stops working or blocks your update, simply update the app to its latest version. That should solve the issue. In short, the problem is now over. Microsoft officially removed the safeguard hold on October 15, 2025, and all eligible devices without other restrictions can now install Windows 11 version 24H2. They also mentioned that it may take up to 48 hours for the update to appear in Windows Update after the fix. As always, it's a good idea to restart your PC, not shut it down, and then check for updates again. So, if you're planning to install Windows 11 24H2 or even 25H2, since both versions are nearly identical, you can now do it safely without any issues. It's great to see Microsoft finally resolving this problem and confirming it in their official documentation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.